So I love all things beauty. That is my field. That is what gets me going. So for the wellness workshop, we made a detox mix that is supposed to help remove all the toxins from your face or your body. It's supposed to help moisturize, it's supposed to brighten your skin, all of those really helpful things. It's all in this little packet here. Now, I'm not much of a tea girl, but maybe I'll start becoming one. We made a blend, and there are things like cocoa, coffee, I think there's mint as well. It's supposed to help relax, but also give you a lot of energy. So I'm kind of excited about that. We got a candle. Now, the candle smells like chocolate. So I can't wait to burn this because it was one thing about me. I love my chocolate, and I know this is going to make my room smell so good. And last but not least, the last thing that we did, we made a mask. Now, the mask is still in powder form because I have to mix it with something. You could use honey, you could use distilled water. You just need to mix it and put it into a paste and scrub your body, and it's going to help with like inflammation, going to give you a lot of moisture, going to help with like cellulite. That's what the coffee is for. And yeah, I'm really excited because these are the things that I do when I'm home. Take the things out of my kitchen and just mix it up. So I really learned a lot at the wellness workshop, and I can't wait to make and mix my own mask.